Okay, so speeding ticket is a function that there are a lot of aspects. Okay, how fast you are going and your speed limit. Now, here it says do it as a parameter. I'm not going to worry about it right now as a parameter. Okay, so neither will you have to for now. So we're going to make a function, and the big question is a lot of people want to make a whole number right away, but it's actually returning one of these things: no ticket, small ticket, huge ticket, or thrown in jail. Those are all strings. So there's two variables that we need to make. The first one is how fast you are going and the limit. So I'll do speed, and I'll make another one for limit. Now I need to ask for both of those. How fast you are going and what is the speed limit. Now, the next thing you have to do is determine if you were going under the speed limit or the speed limit, you get no ticket. So, we definitely need an if statement. And if you were going less than the speed limit or the speed limit, there's no ticket. So we're comparing whole numbers if something is less than something else. For now, I'll just do 0 is less than or equal to 0. Okay? So in the example, right, if your speed, let's say you were traveling 50 miles per hour and the limit was 60, there's no problem there. So that would be no ticket. So we can see as long as the speed is lower or equal to it, you get no ticket. So if the speed is less than or equal to the limit, we return no ticket. Now, I'm just going to solve one other for you, and then you'll be in charge of the other two. Okay? Now, you get a small ticket if you're going under 15. Okay? So, it's not an else statement, because an else statement means in all other situations, this happens. So you need an if statement. Now, whether you put the if statement here or the else statement, it works the same way for this purpose. Okay? So I'll put it individually. Okay? Now, it is another whole number if something's less than or equal to something. Now, this says under 15. Does that include 15? No. So actually, maybe I'll want to change it to something is less than 15. Okay? So now, let's look at the example. If I was going 74 and my limit is 60, I should get a small ticket. But if I put my speed, right, my speed's less than 15, well, no, right? 74 is a whole lot faster than 15 miles per hour. So we're going to have to figure out how does speed and limit relate. If you subtract your speed minus your limit, you would get how many miles per hour you're going over the limit. So you can do a variable which is amount like over. And this can be our speed math minus the limit. So if you're going 74, the limit 60, the amount over would be 14. So if the amount over is under 15, we return a small ticket. Now, I'm going to, you'll have to do huge ticket, but I will end the video in this. Do not have 2 more if statements, okay, for this and this, because if this isn't true, this isn't true, this isn't true, and this isn't true, and you don't have anything in the else statement, that's bad. To solve this, you just need 1 more if statement. If this one, if it's not this one, meaning huge ticket, otherwise you're thrown in jail. Okay? Make sure to subscribe, but don't like.